Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply calcium nitrate to tomato plants. Calcium nitrate is a fantastic solution for preventing blossom end rot, a frustrating problem where the bottom of your tomatoes turns mushy and brown. This vital nutrient strengthens your plant's cell walls, making them more resilient against diseases and pests. It also delivers essential calcium and nitrogen, promoting vigorous growth and healthier, more productive tomato plants throughout the season. Timing is key for effective calcium nitrate application. Start when your tomato plants reach about 12 inches in height, or as soon as you see the first fruits beginning to form. Continue applying every 2 to 4 weeks throughout the growing season to ensure a consistent supply of nutrients. For soil application, use 1 to 2 ounces per plant, applied every 4 to 6 weeks. Always consider a soil test for the most accurate dosage recommendations. There are several ways to apply calcium nitrate, but soil drenching is generally the most effective for tomatoes. This method ensures the calcium reaches the roots, where it can be readily absorbed. Mix about 4 tablespoons of calcium nitrate into 1 gallon of water, then apply this solution directly to the soil around the base of each plant. Be careful to avoid getting the solution on the stems or leaves. While foliar sprays can provide a quick nutrient boost, they are not as efficient for sustained calcium delivery to the fruit. To maximize the benefits, always water your tomato plants thoroughly immediately after applying calcium nitrate. This helps dissolve the fertilizer and allows the roots to absorb the nutrients effectively. It is best to apply in the morning or evening, avoiding the intense midday sun, which can cause leaf burn. Remember, more is not always better. Avoid overfertilization. Also, maintaining consistent soil moisture is just as important as the fertilizer itself for proper calcium uptake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.